Okay, Sir Alan. So here naman, this is our master bedroom. So you can see that there is a toilet and bath here, and then the cabinets right here. So that also is included na. You can show the toilet. So all of the toilet fixtures, they are included, even the glass enclosure. The mirror also is included. And by the way, sir, in terms of our brand, we use Color for Rockwell. It's a high-end brand, an international brand for all of our toilet fixture.
Oh,
Yes,
that's a
sir.
trivia. Hindi ko din alam yun.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
And then this is a queen-size bed. So
Okay.
actually, even a king size can fit if we remove one bedside table.
So at least for this unit, our clients can have an idea on how to furnish their unit.
Yes, sir.
Diba? Yun.
So yun.
Ang ganda.
The cabinets. And same then with the, with the window of the other room. Diba? You have a good view of the mall, of the...
And then this is not a corner unit, by the way, sir, ha? So we have units pa that are corner units. So yung master bedroom nun has more windows. Oh. So this is an inner unit, actually.
But the balcony is only on the living.
Yes, sir. So for Ben Cab, only the 3-bedroom units has a balcony, sir, from the master bedroom.
Okay, but for the Manansala,
For Manasala, sir, same.
Same.
Only the 3 bedrooms yung merong dalawang balcony, sir.
Do you have like studio or this is only
This is the only show unit, sir, that we have right now. We still have very few studio units available, but even our studio units, they have sir, balcony. Even a studio lang, ha. So, meron yan balcony na kasama.
Ang ganda. All I can say
Yes.
is